So, talking about diets, I know a lot of my friends who take supplements. You know, these big protein jars that come and they spend 7 to 8 thousand a month and something like that. So, how much do you think that's really important in your diet?
It's exaggerated. You know, you don't require any supplements. If to stay fit and healthy, you don't require any supplement. If you're a professional athlete, yeah, and you are more than a normal average human being like me and you, who are supernatural humans, you know, who needs extra supplementation. They can take supplements, not us and not me and you. We don't need a regular diet, an Indian diet where we have carbs and proteins and fats into one day-to-day meal is enough. No need to take those large jars and big chunk. Your system is not ready for it. And ask anybody who takes these supplements, they don't feel comfortable. It's more of psychological. More psychological. Oh, I'm taking these scoops of proteins and I'll get these arms and those six packs. No, it's not. They feel bloated because your system cannot break it down. So it's simple, it's exaggerated. People say that if I want to join a gym, first thing they'll go and buy a protein bar and protein. Whatever money they spend on a gym, 3 times more money they spend on supplements. It's not required. And I get so many calls from parents, you know, kids' parents who say that, oh, my son wants to take this supplement, is he advisable, he's after me. Because all these guys feel that when they take supplements, within 3 months they're going to become like Arnold Schwarzenegger or maybe Hrithik Roshan and all these guys. No. And those professional bodybuilders are monitored by professionals. They are monitored by professionals. You are not. What you do is you ask 2-3 guys, oh, what are you taking? What are you taking? What are you taking? And then you go buy that stuff and you start taking it. That's not right. And there are a lot of side effects of these supplements. So if you're a professional athlete and your requirements are different, only a professional consultant, a medicine specialist will guide you. A sports medicine doctor will guide you on that, not a trainer. A trainer is not specialized to prescribe you any supplements. So don't get into it about supplements and I'm getting in, I want to do this, I want to build this. Not possible. It is not possible. You'll land up paying thousands of rupees, lakhs of rupees, and you'll get nothing at the end of the day. Just stick to a beautiful natural diet, work out hard, and anyway, exercise when you're doing regularly, your growth is going to be slowly and steadily. Nothing is going to happen immediately in 3 to 4 months.
So, you just have to be patient and do everything naturally.
True.